Alright, today we're going to be working on these bracelets that she has. They're basically like glow sticks, but they're triangles. So, I'm working with 5mm EVA foam. I wanted to work with 6mm EVA foam, which is this, but I don't have enough of it, clearly. And I don't want to spend a bunch of money on this over, 1mm. So, yeah. We're going to make it so that this actually might be the right size anyways. About. A little bit. Yeah, a little bit shorter. Maybe this is right. Make it a triangle, so I'm going to cut it in 3 different things. Because foam is not gonna give you a 90-degree thing like that. Alright, so these are white now because I primed them because I assumed I was gonna spray paint them. And then I remembered, why spray paint them when I can just put Cricut vinyl on them like I've been doing with everything else. So Alright, now I'm painting the edges because I realized that they're actually going to be visible. And cutting little tiny cricket vinyl is really tedious and I don't want to do that. I might end up doing it, but for now I'm going to at least cover it. So I just mix some paint. It's not the exact color, but you know, we're working with what we have at this rate, and I am mixing in some holographic glitter. This is holographic blue glitter, so that it kind of matches the vinyl some more. You know, this blue vinyl is not holographic. Alright, essentially, this is how they turn out. It's not the same color on every side, but it's acceptable. It actually looks kind of worse on camera than it is. But it's blue. There we go, see? It's not that bad, you know. And you can kind of see the glitter in there a little bit, maybe. And the pink is not really close at all to the color, but I kind of like Yeah, even though the colors aren't that close, I kind of like how both of them look, so it's kind of like best of both worlds moment, where you kind of get to see them either way. That side is really sparkly. That side got a lot of glitter in it. So, yeah, that's how I made them.